I'm Stephanie and I am with Mommy and Me Portrait Studios based out of Chester, Virginia. And welcome back to our kid video series where you come to create, imagine, and discover. I'm here with, who are you?
James.
And how old are you? Do you remember?
3 years old.
3 years old. He just turned 3 and we're going to make a Valentine's Day gift today.
What are you going to do today?
Valentines, yes. So this one actually arcs back to my childhood. I didn't know at the time, but it turned out we were a little low on funds that year. It was one of our hardest years monetary-wise, but us kids didn't know. And my mom created this craft for us all to do and take pictures in front of, where we went out and found pine cones, and we got construction paper, and we made hearts out of them, and we decorated our house with these pine cone hearts. So that's what we're gonna do today, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you ready to tell everybody what we need?
Yep. You need pine cones, color paper, blue, scissors, and cornball.
So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pick out which colored piece we want to cut our heart into. So which color do you want to choose? You want purple, blue, or pink?
Pink.
You want the pink, okay.
Pink.
So we'll do a pink heart in the middle. We're gonna cut that out first.
Yep.
And I'm not going to be super pretty with it. Just kind of cutting a loose heart because our pine cones are what's gonna form the heart the majority of the way. Okay, so we're gonna glue that on the paper.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So we would normally use Elmer's glue. We don't have any, so we're using Mod Podge with a stick. You know what you need to do? Take the stick in the glue. Take the stick in the glue and pull it out and put it all over the back of the heart. Put it on the back of the heart. There you go. We're working on all over so that way we can stick it to the paper. Okay, I think that's enough glue to get our heart glued down for now, okay? So we're gonna put this aside and we're gonna get our heart glued down. So we're gonna push this here. Go ahead, push down on it. Push, push, push. All over the paper. There you go. Stick it down.
This business.
Yep. Okay. So now it's time for glitter. Where do you want the glitter at?
Glitter.
Yep. But here you need to use this to put the glitter on. So put the glue on the paper wherever you want your glitter. And we have purple, gold, and red. What color do you want?
This.
You want the purple? Now we're ready to put our pine cones on. We're going to put the pine cones on like a heart. Okay, go ahead and carefully put the pine cone right on top of the glue. There we go. Ready for another pine cone? Give me another pine cone. There.
Or glitter?
You want more glitter? Where are we gonna put the glitter?
And more glitter.
Yeah, but where are we gonna put it? You want to put glitter on the pine cones? Look at that! And it's stuck to the pine cones. What is this? What shape is this? This is a heart?
Heart?
Yeah, and what do hearts do?
Boo, 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 boo.
Yeah, good job! Can you thank everybody for joining us?
Thank you, and join us. I saw later. Bye!
Have a happy Valentine's Day and don't forget to subscribe!